Oh my god, it's my new vlog camera. I'm testing this out. My new vlog camera. Is it any smoother? Does it look any better? Is Morgan any weirder? Yeah, she still is. Real talk, I got a new vlog camera and I hope that it makes me want to vlog more. Sometimes when I want to film main channel videos and get lazy, maybe this will just be a way that I can not use my whole camera setup and not be lazy. Because this camera is a lot better. My old one had all this dust and stuff. Whoa! Okay, this is for sure better quality than my old one. You can see my crusty lips and everything. Autofocus is still kind of slow, but that's typical. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this bad boy on the computadora and see how it goes. I don't know, by the way, what is going on with my vlogs right now. Tell me if you know. You don't know. I don't either. It's cool. I don't know what's happening, but this is just a random clip and also don't know what's happening here. Yay, new vlog camera. Also, let's just pay a quick homage to my old little guy. Goodbye. It's been real AF. We've been through a lot together. Back in 2015, I got this when I first started a vlog channel, and me and Maddie McHugh got the same camera at the same time, and Morgan's being freaking weird. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Here.
You were so weird.
I was gonna see if you noticed that I left.
Of course I noticed that you left. Morgan's on drugs. No, she's not. She's literally not. Okay, also, should we just start our own vlog squad? What's up, it's the vlog squad. And that's it.
That's all they say.
I don't know. I don't either. This is how they laugh in every video.
Yeah, they do, you're right. They just have a laugh track.
They must. Cause like, it makes it all sound funnier when
it's not actually funny.
Yeah, when they're laughing, yes.
I noticed that.
Hey.
And I'll say something mediocrely funny and then insert a laugh track and see if it makes the viewer wanna laugh.
Your mom makes the viewer wanna laugh. Did that make you wanna laugh more? Let me know. Probably not, it's fine. All right, I'm gonna go eat my veggie patty. I'm so happy I have this new camera, yeah! Here's my really sad looking lunch because I have no food. It's a veggie patty and a whole lot of hot sauce. That literally looks really pathetic. Ooh, food porn, yeah. Ooh, how appealing does that look? Yeah. Okay, I'm pumped about this camera. Besides, it still takes like 20 centuries to focus when you move it. Oh my God, you're so hot. Just like the hot sauce. Insert laugh track. Hello and welcome to this vlog. Wow, I haven't done this in a while, so I'm being kind of weird. Butterflies. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm doing some spring cleaning. It is so necessary. I actually talked about this on Instagram, but I decided to redo my room, not like fully. I actually really like how my room is. I'm just someone who gets really impatient with having like the same decor up. So I am switching some of the stuff, not everything in my room, but some of the stuff, and I spent a long time kind of planning out what I think I want to do. So I'm gonna take you guys through that. I love watching videos about cleaning and like redecorating. I'm obsessed, so I figure maybe you guys would want to see too. So today is Sunday. I'm just really trying to get a lot of the cleaning part done so that I can start moving on to like actually switching stuff out. I also am just really inspired to like get rid of as much stuff as I possibly can because I just have too many things and I want to be a lot more minimal. Today, Morgan and I went through and totally cleaned our kitchen. I mean, as well as we could. We did the counters, we did the floors. I even cleaned like the garbage actual bin. I need to take those out. And then we put our new rug down on the floor. We cleaned all this and all the counters, and it just looks really good. It's like super sunny, sorry. But yeah, so we did a lot of cleaning in these areas. We also cleaned the living room. We just have stuff that we have to either take to Goodwill or put upstairs in storage, but we have our area over here. We have our new rug. I don't think I've ever shown you guys on the vlog, maybe not. Couch, everything. So everything's just like clean. We dusted, and yeah, so the downstairs is pretty much done. Again, I just need to bring this stuff up, but as you can freaking see, by the B-roll, my room is incredibly messy. So I need to clean this whole thing. My roof is being patched up on Tuesday. So it's Sunday now, they're patching it Tuesday, which means once that's done, it'll obviously look better, but also I can move my bed back to where it's supposed to be. That has just been bugging me that it's been off center for like over a month. And then I'll show you guys kind of what I plan for the walls. And this wall is pretty much staying the same. This wall, I think I might put some wallpaper on because I just think that would look really cool. I have curtains I want to hang. I've had for a really long time. I just never put them up. I want to get more of those hanging plants. And then I think I just want to make it a little less cluttered. Like I don't need this stool here. I don't need like things on every single part of the wall. I want to make this light string be like more towards the top. It just kept falling off. Don't use command hooks for that. They always fall off. I need to get something better. And then I have my TV downstairs now in an effort to not watch TV in my room very much. So I think I'm going to slide this dresser over a bit and maybe put more stuff on the walls. I might put this lamp downstairs and bring my gold lamp from downstairs back up here because I actually really like that lamp a lot better. So we're just gonna see. And I also got this new pink desk chair for like $50, super cute. Excuse the mess, obviously, I'm embarrassed, but this is Morgan's closet side. And then we decided we're actually going to get kind of 2 tables right here to be like a desk situation. This room gets so much more sunlight than my room, so sometimes I want to be able to work in here and just have it feel nice and happy. So we're gonna get like double tables. We obviously have a lot to clean up, so you guys really get to see that. And we gotta reorganize this closet because right now there's just a ton of stuff in there. But I'm excited to actually have this be like a usable office space. I think it'll be really nice just getting out of my room. So yeah.